Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will learn how to create an object that we will call welcome to copy place in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos, leaving a comment, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. I received a machine problem before to implement an object in Python, object-oriented programming. So we have here plus customers, greeting, welcome to copy place, and then here dev in itself, and then we have here 5 properties or parameters. So array self c1, c underscore 1, selves underscore 2, c underscore 3, c underscore 4, c underscore 5, print. For customer in R, customer equals customer lowercase equals customer name Nate. So we have here the beverages of Nate espresso, food pastrami or rain. The price total is 220 if Elaine. The beverage is strawberry frappuccino. Food tuna wrap total 270. If Samira, beverage iced coffee latte cinnamon roll 255. Jerry, beverage caramel macchiato, food glazed donut total 230 if passed. Iced tea blueberry pancakes total 315 else customer not found. So print the greetings, and then we will call the different we create an object here in different name of the customer: Nate, Elaine, Samira, Jerry, and Pass. When we run the program, okay, so we will display here welcome to copy place, and then the rest of the values here by Nate, Elaine, Samira, Jerry, and Pass. So what are the things that we have learned in this sample program? It teaches how the basic principles of object-oriented programming in Python to create an object here. In this case, customer, and then we provide several values here, and how to use conditional statement, if else statement in Python, and for loop statement in array. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.